Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I'm here today with something very basic, very simple. Maybe you can call this as an everyday cooking recipe. That's nothing but sprouted green peas curry. This gravy is a typical South Indian gravy, we can say. You can make this recipe with any vegetable of your choice. So make sure to give a try on this recipe once, and then I'm sure this will be added to your weekly menu. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I really hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming recipes. And for the beginners in cooking, let me also show you how to sprout the green peas. Here, as you can see in the video, this is overnight soaked dried green peas. And from the next morning starts the sprouting process. Here I have just drained the green peas, and then I'm just taking it in a good muslin cloth, or you can even take a nice cotton cloth. Anything will do, but just make sure it should be very light so that the sprouts do not get disturbed. And then now this will go into the kitchen cabinet where it's really dark. That's what I usually do with the sprouting. And then I left it for 24 hours, and this was the sprouts what I got the next day. And now as our sprouts were ready, let's move to the recipe. As I always say, ingredients are given at the description box below, so do not forget to check it out from there. Let me first show you the ingredients to grind the masala or the curry paste. Here I have taken 1.5 cup of freshly grated coconut and 4 Kashmiri red chilies. You can even take the local ones. And 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and 2 garlic pods with half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And this is tamarind, which is just maybe half teaspoon. And now using a mixer jar or a grinder, you have to take all the ingredients listed and the curry paste and then grind them with half or 1 cup of water as required to make it to a very smooth paste. Here let me show you the ingredients what we need to make the curry. Here I have taken 2 cups of sprouted green peas, and then this is the same curry paste what we just ground, and you can see they are ground to a very fine paste. And here's 1 large tomato and 1 very small onion. Salt will be according to your taste, and this is 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, garlic 2 pods, and curry leaves. Here in a pressure cooker, I have taken the green peas, and then the onions are sliced and the thickly sliced tomatoes. Add some salt and then rinse the mixer jar with some water. This is around 1.5 cup of water I have rinsed with the mixer and then added it to the cooker. Now what we'll do is we have to take 1 or 2 whistles depending on your pressure cooker, and then cook the green peas till they are done. And then now in an earthen pot, add the masala and add some water if more water required according to the consistency required. It should not be too watery, not too thick, a normal gravy kind. And add the cooked green peas to it and let it boil for around 5 minutes. And here we are done with the gravy. Just the seasoning part is left, but let me also show you the texture of the gravy. Here you can see it's not too watery, not very thick. Once we switch off the flame, you can see the gravy would turn to be more thicker. So now let's begin with the seasoning part. Sorry, my flame was on a very high. You do not keep it on high, make it on a lower flame. You have to add the coconut oil, add the mustard seeds and jeera, and 1 red chilli. I thought of adding it at the last, so I have not shown it at the seasoning ingredients. And then added the curry leaves and garlic together. Here we are done with the seasoning, and then now we go into the last tadka. And here is your easy gravy ready. And trust me, even though the recipe looks very simple, the gravy is very delicious. You got to trust my words and give a try on this once, and I'm sure you will be making this again and again with any vegetable of your choice. You can serve this with any kind of rice, with some, I love it with some white rice, and this gravy served with some fish fry and pickle. It becomes a very typical South Indian desi lunch. And coming to our extra points, if you do not prefer coconut oil while seasoning, you can always season it with normal vegetable oil. And you can also make the same gravy with sprouted chickpeas or chole, what we call. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures what you have tried from my channel. I would really love to share it on my feed. Do not forget to tag me there on Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. And I hope till now you all have subscribed to my channel. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Bye-bye.